which HTML editor is important to learn HTML language. Okay, I will explain all about which editor is important to install in your computer. First, I will give you simple HTML editor, which is Notepad or text edit. Okay, you can take, right, you can use Notepad, or or you can use text edit, right, text edit. Okay, you can use one of from this both. Okay, but I will suggest you can use a uh, Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is very simple. This will give you suggestion when you write code, right. This will make you, this HTML language is more simple, right. I will suggest you to use Visual Studio Studio Code, right. This application which is developed by the Microsoft, right, and this is a open source. Here you have to don't pay any money to Microsoft. This is a open source. You can take enjoy of that, which is a open source. How you can download, right, how you can download from your browser. You have to type a Visual Studio Code, right. You will get a first link here. Here you can see Visual Studio Code editing. You have to open this. Now you will get a download for Windows, right, or you can see click on this download icon also. I will click on that, and now you will get a option here. When you have to use this application for Mac, right, you can use this Mac 10.11 plus, or when you are using Windows operating system, you can use, click on this Windows. Okay, and now you will get a notification on your computer. Here you can see open. Okay, when I will open, my computer will download this application, but I will stop here because I have already installed this Visual Studio Code app in my computer. You have to click OK, and whenever is required, you provide that information, and I will show you after download how the interface of your application you will see, right. Here I have opened. After download, you will see this interface, right. Before that, you have to do one thing. Here you have to open a new file. Okay, and you have to give a name to the that file. Hello dot c dot html. Okay, hello dot html, and now you will see your file is open in your IDE. Okay, now I have to write some of the code in my that file. Here I will take a simple HTML, right? Doc type HTML. After that I will take HTML. In HTML I will take head section. In head section I will take a title. This is my first code. Okay, this is our title. I will take body section. In body section I have to take a one h1 heading, and I have to give hello world. Hello world text. Okay, hello world. And now I will open this with live server. Okay, open a folder or workspace. Okay, something wrong happened here. Okay, I have opened another folder. In that folder I have create one file, coding.html. Okay, and I will copy paste this text here, and now I will open this with live server, and your page will be see here. Okay, so this is your first website. In that you will get a text hello world. Now I will show you how to create a new file in your browser. Okay, in your Visual Studio Code. Here you have to click on this icon. Okay, new file. Okay, and you can create through from them new file. For example, I have to create new file. I have given the name, and you have to give the after that HTML, right? And after that you can enter, and will get a new file. Okay, when you have to create a new folder, you can create folder using this new folder tag symbol. Okay, for example, this is a folder, right? Here you can see here is a folder. Inside that folder you can open another files. Okay, so if you want to save this file on your another folder, right? This is a file and I have to save. You can click on this file icon, and you will get a save as option. Save as, click on that, and wherever you have to save you can save. Here you can see I will save this with coding 1. You have to click on save. This file has been saved in HTML folder. Okay, and last is you have to install a extension, right? Which is you need to open with this for example, you have to open this page in live server, right? A browser provide some of the address to your page. Here you can see when I will open this with live server, you will get address to your page, and your page will be uh, seen on a browser, right? This is my computer IP. Okay, so how you can open like this? For that you have to install a extension live server. Live server, here you can see I have already opened in my computer. Here you can see I have opened, installed in my system, and you have to install. Okay, if you want to use a short keys, right, for save, for comment, or anything, here you will get a, you have to click on this manage or see setting icon, and you have to click on keyboard shortcuts, right, and here you can see accept inline suggestion. You can click on tab, accept next word of inline suggestion, right, control plus right arrow, add cursor above. You can use control plus alt plus upper arrow, right. Here are lot of shortcuts. You can read these all shortcuts according to your need, right, which is important or which is not important. According to that you can use. Here is a list of shortkeys. Okay, so this is a Visual Studio Code editor, right. This is a IDE you can use. This is a better and open source. So this is enough for this chapter. Okay,